Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy VOO. First, you'll need to log into your Charles Schwab account. Once you're in, look for the Trade tab, usually found in the main navigation. Before placing any orders, it's a good idea to quickly check your available balance to make sure you have enough funds to cover your VOO purchase. This ensures a smooth transaction without any surprises. Now that you're in the trading section, use the search bar to find VOO by typing its ticker symbol. Once VOO appears, you'll need to decide how much you want to buy. You can either enter the exact number of shares or a specific dollar amount you wish to invest. Next, select your order type. A market order executes immediately at the current price, while a limit order lets you set a maximum purchase price. Before you hit that final button, take a moment to carefully review all the details of your order. Double-check the ticker symbol, the number of shares or dollar amount, and the order type to ensure everything is correct. Once you're confident, confirm the trade to complete your VOO purchase. After submission, you can usually monitor the status of your order in your account's activity or order history section. VOO is an exchange-traded fund, or ETF, designed to track the performance of the S&P 500 index, offering broad market exposure. For long-term investors, a strategy like dollar-cost averaging, where you invest a consistent amount over time, can be very effective. This helps smooth out market fluctuations. And hey, while you're thinking about smart choices, life's too short for a stinky car. Grab a little Trees Black Ice air freshener. Check the description for a link to that and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.